This week I'm testing the Peugeot 3008. It's a 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our socials. In the back of the Peugeot 3008 there are Isofix in the 2 outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're nice and easy to connect to. On the back of all 3 seat backs are top tailor anchorages, and they're really nice and easy to access through the boot. Now we could fit 3 child seats in the back here, which is fantastic, and we found with a rear facing child seat behind the driver, a 180cm driver can sit in front. In the back of the Peugeot 3008 the storage is quite minimal. There are 2 cup holders in a fold down in the central seat back. They are quite small though, so a large refillable water bottle only just fits, and a coffee cup does fit too. The door bins are small in the back here, and I could only get a 600ml bottle in there, and an iPad would fit. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats, but they're small. They will hold an iPad but not conceal them. And there's a little shelf in the back of the central console box, a 12-volt socket and 2 USB ports. There are aircon vents in the front and the back of the Peugeot 3008, which is fantastic for keeping those little passengers cool while you're driving. In the front the storage is better. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and a large refillable water bottle fits in them too. In front of there is a little tray I found good for my glasses, and in front of the gear lever is a wireless phone charging well. The central console box is a really good size in here, and it has a little shelf in the top. The glove box is small, I could just get my phone in there. There's no glasses case in the ceiling, and the door bins are a good size. I could fit a large refillable water bottle in there, and an iPad fits too. The boot of the Peugeot 3008 has this lovely kick, open and close function for the boot. It makes it really nice and easy when you go to the car with your kids and all their things. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty, it will hold 12 shopping bags, or a twin stroller with no shopping bags, a tandem pram with 5 shopping bags, a single pram with 4 shopping bags, or a basic compact stroller with 9 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. The Peugeot 3008 is a really nice car to drive. I love the feel of the steering wheel. It's nice and small in your hands. Now the turning circle is fantastic in this car, which makes it really nice around town, and especially car parks and things like that. Now it's got really nice massage seats in here. You can have a cat paw massage, which is good. And it's just a nice little nippy car to use with your family. The media system in the Peugeot 3008 is controlled by paddles down on the dashboard. Now they're easy to control once you've got used to using them. You've got your media through there, your climate, sat nav, and you can control things like turning the parking sensors on and off as well. Now it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in here too, which is fantastic. And when you put it into reverse, that camera image is really pixelated. Luckily it has the bird's eye view, which does help a little bit, and there's some other views to choose from in there too. So to sum up with the Peugeot 3008, it's a great family baby drive. You can fit those 3 child seats across, the boot floor dropping down gives a lot of good boot storage, the drive is really nice, and the media system is good too.